The other two, the Interceptor and the Conti GT, they get halogens. This one is an LED setup. Hello and welcome to Real Auto Reviews. My name is Shiraz and that's the Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650. And please don't be worried, I'm not going to bore you to death like most others would do with non-essential details. I just thought that before I get on the bike and start riding and show just the headlight to you, I thought it would be a good idea to show to you how the bike looks at night. And let me just switch on the ignition so that you're able to see the pilot lamp and the tail light as well. So that is how the bike looks at night. Looks good. Let's ride now. Alright, so that is how the road looks. And now so that's the low beam, that's the high beam. That's the low beam, that's the high beam. And low beam and flash, high beam, so that's the low beam, high beam, low beam, flash, high beam, low beam. Alright, so now you will get an even better idea as to how this headlight performs in the real world, not just in pitch black darkness but under varying conditions. So right now I have the low beam on and that's the high beam. So right now this is the high beam, low beam, high beam, low beam, high beam, low beam, flash, high beam, low beam, high beam, low beam, high beam. Low beam, high beam, not very impressive to be honest. In fact, not at all impressive. You're right of the way, my brother. Thank you so much. Low beam, high beam. I think you must have gotten a fair idea. Do let me know in the comment section below if you like the video and what do you think about RE's LED headlight. The other two, the Interceptor and the Conti GT, they get halogens. This one is an LED setup. Honestly, I prefer the halogens as compared to this one. That's how it looks. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do so, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.